I am cutting up some smoked beef sausage in really thin slices. Really thin slices. We are getting ready to make Southern styled cabbage, but a little bit on the healthier side in our air fryer. I have been embracing my air fryer just a little bit more lately, so I thought I'd start showing you all what I've been doing in mine. So we'll have some air fryer recipes as well as regulars coming up. Now you can use, this is beef smoked sausage, you can use turkey smoked sausage, you can use bacon, you can leave it out, okay? You can use any protein that you want in this dish. So now that we have our smoked sausage cut up, I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so we can do our cabbage next. Okay, you can either use a small head of cabbage, or what I am using is a part of the cabbage that I had left after I did cabbage rolls. So I'm gonna cut this part off right here because that was from the outer leaves. Then you wanna go ahead and cut your cabbage in half, just like that. And you can quarter it from here. I like to take this hard core part out at this particular point. You can do it after you quarter it or whatever. You're just cutting it into about 1 inch size pieces. And you want to take that out of both sides. Core piece out. You can go ahead and cut that in half. And then just cut them into chunk-sized pieces. No rhyme or reason. And put them in your bowl. Kind of separate them a little bit. They will wilt down quite a bit as they cook. Now we're going to dice up a small onion. And add the onion to our cabbage. While you're doing all this, go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. And I'm adding in some apple cider vinegar, adding in a little water, and some olive oil. I am also using my Pam's Prep Fiery Hot seasoning. Okay, we're going to give this a good toss. Oh, it smells delicious. Making sure everything is coated with the oil, the water, and the apple cider vinegar, as well as your seasonings. From here, we're going to head over to the air fryer. Okay, once your air fryer is heated up, you want to take your cabbage mixture and dump it all in. Okay, now we're going to lay our smoked sausage right on top. Doesn't have to be perfect, you just want to kind of spread it around on top of your cabbage. If you're using bacon, same thing. Whatever you're using, put it right on top. You can use as much or as little as you like. We are going to air fry this for approximately 15 minutes. Now, everyone's air fryer is different. Some may not even go up to 400. So take it to the highest temp that yours will go, or not the highest temp, but take it up to 400. If it goes to 350, put it on 350, 380, put it on 380. I have mine on 400 degrees. We're going to cook this for approximately 15 minutes, turning and stirring every 5 minutes. Okay, if it's not, yours is not quite done at that point, let her keep going. Okay, and this is how it should look going into the air fryer. We'll be back. Ooh, doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get us some out of here. I probably need an actual spoon. We are getting ready to do our taste test, but before we do, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my kitchen. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 1.5 million subscribers together. If you are returning, thank you so much for keep coming back and spending time with me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And for my channel members, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Whoo, don't forget to check out my other channels, Pam's POV, Pam's Pop-Ups, and at the Scaredy Cat Gardener, all on YouTube. Okay, look at that once again, guys. Look. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now, how long you cook yours is going to determine two things. How soft you want your cabbage. I do not want mushy cabbage, okay? So I'm not going to cook it any further than I need it to still have a bite. Also, everyone's air fryer is different. And since everyone's air fryer is different, know the temp on yours. If it cooks faster, if it cooks slower. If you are using a lower temp, then you will probably need to cook it just a little bit longer, okay? So let's go ahead and do our taste test. Oh my goodness. I'm dropping. All the flavors from my Pam's Prep seasoning, the cabbage, the onions, the smokiness from the sausage blends in so well with the cabbage. This is amazingly delicious. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. See you later.